Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character shuō step by step. But first, I will write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Without further ado, let's get started. 说 This is a polyphone. It's pronounced as shuō or shuì. As shuō, it means to speak, to say. As shuì, it means to persuade. Now let's look at some examples. 说话 说话 to speak, to talk. 游说 游说 It means to promote an idea. Here's a sentence. 不要和陌生人说话。不要 do not. 和 with 陌生人说话 Don't talk to strangers. Don't talk to strangers. 陌生人 strangers. 说话 to talk, to speak. 不要 do not. 不要和陌生人说话。Don't talk to strangers. 不要和陌生人说话。Don't talk to strangers. Now let's write 说 in cursive. 说说 说 to speak, to say. 说 to persuade. 说话 to speak. 游说 to promote. 不要和陌生人说话 Don't talk to strangers. Please comment any words or sentence with Chinese character 说. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.